and developing personalized learning plans. Governments can use big data analytics to monitor trends in crime rates and traffic patterns, allowing them to allocate resources more effectively. However, it's essential to remember that big data analytics is not a silver bullet solution. While it can provide valuable insights, it's important to supplement it with qualitative research that can provide context and perspective. Additionally, data privacy and security are critical considerations when working with large sets of data. Businesses must be transparent in how they collect and use customer data to build and maintain trust. Moreover, big data analytics can help businesses optimize their operations and increase efficiency. By analyzing data from various sources, businesses can identify areas where they can reduce waste, cut costs, and boost productivity. Furthermore, big data analytics can also be used to identify new business opportunities. By analyzing data on market trends, customer behavior, and industry developments, businesses can identify niches and areas for expansion. For example, a retailer might use big data analytics to identify emerging trends in the market and adjust its product offerings accordingly to take advantage of EU opportunities. In addition to its business benefits, big data analytics can also be used for social good. For instance, nonprofit organizations can use big data analytics to evaluate the impact of their programs, identify areas for improvement, and allocate resources more effectively. Governments can use big data analytics to make data-driven policy decisions that benefit their citizens, such as improving LIC transportation systems and increasing access to healthcare. Finally, it's worth noting that big data analytics is not a one-time solution, but an ongoing process. Businesses must constantly monitor and analyze data to stay ahead of changing trends and shift in customer preferences. In other words, big data analytics must be integrated into a business's overall strategy and decision-making processes. This means that businesses must build a culture that values data-driven insights and encourages experimentation and innovation. They must also use the insights gained from big data analytics to continuously improve their products and services and better meet the needs of their customers. By doing so, businesses can build a strong competitive advantage that is difficult for competitors to replicate. In summary, big data analytics is a powerful tool that can help businesses make informed decisions quickly and accurately. While there are challenges to implementing big data analytics, the benefits of investing in this area outweigh the costs. As businesses and organizations continue to generate more data, big data analytics will only grow in importance as a key driver of success. As big data continues to grow in importance, it's important for businesses to stay on top of new developments and advancements in big data analytics. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are two areas that are rapidly evolving and have enormous potential for businesses. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision-making. AI can help businesses analyze and interpret large sets of data quickly, identify patterns and trends, and make more informed decisions. For example, financial institutions can use AI algorithms to detect fraudulent transactions in real time, reducing the risk of loss. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables systems to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. This can be particularly useful in big data analytics as it can help Businesses identify patterns and trends that may not be immediately apparent. For example, a retailer might use machine learning algorithms to analyze customer purchase data and identify hidden purchasing patterns. Incorporating AI and machine learning into big data analytics requires specialized skills and expertise. Businesses must invest in staff training and development to equip their employees with the necessary skills to work with these emerging technologies. Another emerging trend in big data analytics is the use of data visualization. Data visualization involves representing data in a visual format, such as graphs, charts, and maps, to help businesses